What's going on with y'all boys? No trade today. Asia market is closed, but I am gonna be back testing some high impact news for y'all. We got average hourly earnings at 7:30. We got non-farm employment change and the unemployment rate all coming out at 7:30. So an hour before market opens over here in wherever I live. But yeah, so market obviously opens at 8:30. Or that's not obvious, but you know what I mean. So 7:30 candle. Where's it at? Right here. So I'm assuming it went positive, or the news was at least bullish news. We got London session over here, and then boom, that's our Asia session. We got our Asia high here immediately. Saw that, and then we have our boom, our London high here. And then we got our Asia high here, although it was swept out. Alright, and then we got our Asia low. Not our Asia low, our London low here. And our Asia low there. Alright. So we got our Asia low here, or London low here. So initially you can see market sweeps out Asia high. We barely get any reactions out of it. We form a London high, which I would assume price to want to come back up and take out this London high. But my bias wise, like if I was seeing this before trading, I would assume price to want to come out, take out the London high, come down and take out the London low, maybe even the Asia low. Although that's not what market want to do. It takes out this and continues to rise higher. Alright, boom. So we have that. Any 1 hour high that I need to be wary of? Not really. 4 hour high wise? No. Nothing there. 15-minute. We come back to the 15-minute, find some confluence. Immediately, I see this 15-minute bullish fair value gap. Boom. Right here. And then we enter the 5-minute and just look for like a little sweep of liquidity. Right? And we do end up getting there right here. Boom. We sweep this 5-minute low. Enter this 15-minute bullish fair value gap. And then at 9 o'clock, I'm scrolled into the 1 minute looking for extended confluence. Boom, right here. You can see we fill this 1 minute bullish value gap. Boom, entries right here. If I wanted to be a risky guy, I could take this trade right here. If I didn't, I could take this. Either or really works. But that's the ES trade for the day. NQ. So same thing, 8:30. We have market open right here, 7:30. This is the news candle right here. And then 2 we have London. And then 19 we have Asia. So here's our Asia high right here, which same case as the last, gets swept. Same case as the last, we have our London high. Boom. 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 There's our London low. Here's our Asia low. And then 1 hour wise, we do actually have another high here, which is a little below the London high. Alright. Actually kind of like that. And then 15-minute, boom, we have this 15-minute fair value gap, which gets invalidated. And we got this 15-minute bull fair value gap. There. 5-minute. Boom. Oh, this price action is looking great. Sweep out this 5-minute low. Enter this 15-minute bullish value gap. And then we get a break structure right here at 850. Not a break structure, but you know what I mean. We get a bullish candle out of it at 850. Boom. This is our London high. Here's our 1 hour high. Over here. Boom. We fill in this value gap. Get a rise out of it. Right here. That's the trade of the day, baby. And yeah, that's really it. Sunday I'm gonna be back. Just a little, just keep pushing out content. But Sunday I'll be back trading. Appreciate y'all. Have a good one.